Assalamu alaikum. I am Mohammad Fakhrul Sajib. Today we are going to learn how to drop a table and a database in MySQL. Before continuing this session, I strongly recommend watching my previous videos, MySQL tutorial 1 and 2. If you are first time watching my video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click on the bell and select all to get all the notifications of my channel. We can drop, delete, remove a MySQL table and database quickly with MySQL drop table and drop database command. Before dropping table and database, first we create new database and table. In my first MySQL tutorial, we have seen how to create database and table, and second MySQL tutorial, we have seen how to insert and select data. MySQL Workbench. First, we create execute the selected portion. If we refresh, say table customers column ID. First, I insert one row. Insert database name or schema dot table name customers column ID name value ID1 and name Sajib. Execute the portion. Insert it is one row affected. Now select this from select star from test dot customers. Test is schema or database dot customer is table name. Okay. Now ID1 name Sajib. First we'll drop table. Drop table test dot customers. We have already told that we have to give the schema or database name with table name dot to drop the table. Now I will select this portion and run this. Execute the selected portion of execute. Say our drop table test customers worked. If we refresh this, see no table. If we want to drop the database, drop drop database test. Drop database name. Drop database name test. We can also write this drop schema schema test. Drop database test and drop schema test meaning same. You can write anything, anyone. I'm just commenting this one, double hash. Now we'll drop the database test. This database test. Drop database test. Execute the selected portion. See, drop database test, 0 rows affected. If we refresh this, see, our database test is dropped. I think you understand now how to drop table and how to drop database. To drop the table, just have to write drop table name with database name, and to drop database name. Thank you for watching this video.